Welcome to our latest video, where we explore efficiency and innovation with our two-line side sealing machine. This machine is designed to maximize productivity. With two sealing lines operating simultaneously, it significantly increases production capacity, which is ideal for large-scale operations. Compared to traditional alternatives, our sealing machine is more energy efficient, which helps reduce operating costs. Furthermore, its robustness guarantees a long useful life, ensuring an excellent quality-price ratio. In short, the two-line side sealing machine is a reliable, efficient and economical solution for your sealing needs. For more information, do not hesitate to contact us.